Welcome back to my channel. PRP without injections? At home? Yes, it's finally possible. Tired of thinning hair and expensive PRP treatments? What if I told you that you can get PRP like hair regrowth, naturally, from your own kitchen? No needles, no clinics, just powerful ingredients that really work. Let's uncover the 7 powerful natural ingredients that mimic the effects of PRP and help you regrow stronger, thicker hair, starting today. What is PRP and how these ingredients mimic it? PRP, platelet-rich plasma, uses your own blood to inject growth factors into your scalp. But these natural ingredients work in a similar way. How? They increase scalp blood flow. They deliver nutrients and antioxidants directly to hair follicles. They reduce inflammation and DHT, the hormone that causes hair loss. They stimulate collagen and hair follicle regeneration, just like PRP. And now, let's dive into them one by one. 1. Onion juice, nature's sulfur bomb. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, the same mineral that boosts collagen in PRP treatments. Boosts blood circulation, awakens dormant hair follicles, stimulates keratin production. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and you'll see visible thickness and regrowth in a month. 2. Rosemary oil, as powerful as Minoxidil. Did you know that studies found rosemary oil just as effective as Minoxidil, the hair regrowth drug? Stimulates blood flow, strengthens roots, blocks DHT naturally. It's a must-have in your natural PRP mix. 3. Ginger juice, instant scalp activation. Ginger juice warms up the scalp and instantly activates hair follicles. Increases microcirculation, reduces scalp inflammation, speeds up new hair cell generation. Mix it with onion juice for double the power. 4. Aloe vera, scalp healing booster. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and supports keratin, your hair's natural protein. Repairs scalp tissue, deeply hydrates roots, speeds up healing and growth. PRP repairs follicles, aloe vera does it too. 5. Black seed oil, DHT blocker king. Black seed oil blocks DHT, the hormone that causes hair fall. Stops shedding, strengthens hair shaft, supports thick, long hair over time. Combine it with rosemary oil for double protection. 6. Green tea, follicle stimulator. Green tea is loaded with EGCG, a compound that stimulates hair follicles. Stops hair fall, activates growth at the root, calms scalp and improves shine. Use as a weekly rinse or spray. 7. Castor oil, deep nourishment and growth. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which improves circulation and deeply nourishes roots. Seals moisture, prevents breakage, promotes thick, healthy strands. It also works like PRP, increasing root strength over time. DIY natural PRP mix recipe. Here's how to make your own natural PRP mix at home. 2 tablespoons onion juice. 1 teaspoon ginger juice. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. 5 drops rosemary oil. 1 teaspoon black seed oil. 1 teaspoon castor oil. Instructions. Mix well, apply to your scalp using a cotton pad. Massage gently, leave on for 45 minutes. Then wash with a mild shampoo. Use this 2 to 3 times a week consistently. Results? Just like PRP, but safer and cheaper. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you'll notice less hair fall. New baby hair regrowth, thicker, stronger strands, healthier, calmer scalp. You don't need to spend thousands at clinics. All you need is natural power, the right ingredients, and consistency. This is your natural PRP solution at home. Try it, and let your hair speak for itself. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more natural remedies that work. Your journey to thicker, stronger hair starts here. Thank you for watching.